Meaning of ghillie.
ghillie,
Ghillie.
ghillie,
Ghillie. The term ghillie refers to a type of camouflage clothing that is typically worn by hunters and military personnel in order to blend in with their surroundings. The word comes from the Scottish Gaelic for boy or servant, as ghillies were originally employed as gamekeepers and guides in the Scottish Highlands. Ghillie suits generally consist of a jacket, pants, and head covering that are covered in strips of material meant to mimic foliage. This type of clothing is designed to help the wearer blend into their environment, making them harder to spot by prey or enemies.